lesson, we are going to learn something new. How to describe things or animals using big or small. So this is
a big elephant,
and this is
a small mouse.
a big elephant and a small mouse. Big, small. Yes. Listen.
1. It's got big ears. It's got a big nose. It hasn't got any eyes.
Okay, so it's got big ears and it's got a big nose, but it hasn't got any eyes. No eyes. So this is number 1. Yes, number 1. It's got big ears, big nose, and no eyes. It hasn't got any eyes.
2. It's got small eyes. It's got a small nose. It hasn't got any ears.
So this one, it's got small eyes and small nose, but it hasn't got any ears. No ears. Not like this one. It's got ears, but this one, it's got no ears. So this is it. Listen.
3. It's got small eyes. It's got big ears. It hasn't got a nose.
So this one has got small eyes and big ears, but it hasn't got a nose. There is no nose, not like this one or this one. They've got noses, but this one, it hasn't got any nose. No nose. Okay, so this is number 3. Okay, this is number 3. Now let's move on. Okay, so now talk with your friend. It's got. Okay, let's start with this one.
It's got big ears. It's got a big nose. It hasn't got any eyes. It's number 1.
It's number 1. Number 2.
It's got small eyes. It's got a small nose. It hasn't got any ears. It's number 2.
Number 2.
It's got small eyes. It's got big ears. It hasn't got a nose. It's number 3.
It's number 3. Okay, great. Now, okay, this is a song. I'm big and I'm small. So this one is big and this one is small. Big elephant, small mouse. So watch it. Okay, great. Now let's move. Okay, so here we have a story, so you should listen to it or read it. If you want, you can read it from here or you can watch it. Okay.
Teddy hasn't got any eyes.
Yes, he has. He's got 2 big eyes.
Teddy hasn't got a nose.
Yes, he has. He's got a small nose.
Charlie is very happy now. Thank you, Nani.
Charlie is very happy now. Thank you, Nanny. Thank you, Nanny. So Teddy has got two big or small eyes? Big or small eyes? Okay, so here we have two big eyes. Big eyes, not small eyes. And a big or small nose. We have it here, small nose, not a big nose, but small nose. So listen to it.
Teddy has got two big eyes and a small nose.
Great. So try to watch it again and listen to every single word. Try to repeat after the speakers. Thank you for watching and see you in another class.